So it's just,
Yeah.
it's useless as it is.
And there's just something that, gee whiz, look at this. You know?
Yeah.
That's
But we've had people bring them in. So this thing only shoots singles. I've got one, a lot of them. You shoot a special blank. What you do, this is already in the cutoff. This is cut off the gas. So that the gas from the blank will all be used to launch the grenade. And there's a sight on the grenade, front sight, and then you use this sight for your range. The whole idea is to do it this way. I don't think you'll need to worry about that. That's what all that is.
Okay. I mean, I'll get 30 years. I've been, you know,
Thank you, Will, for everything else.
And he says, I understand, dude. He says, but I'm beat up, man. I just don't. And I said, look, I said, you do what you want. I said, I put a hard business back in the